We just want to talk real quick about radiation, and it's defined as the penetrating rays and or particles emitted by a radioactive source. Anything that's heavier than lead on the periodic table is going to be radioactive. There are three types of radiation. The first one is the alpha particle, so we call it, and it's the helium nucleus with only two protons or two neutrons. It has a charge of positive 2. We use nuclear notation here to show the bottom number shows the atomic number, the top number shows the mass number. That's the number of protons plus neutrons. So it has the least penetrating power, so it will be stopped by the smallest amount of things, or the least amount of material. It will be stopped by matter itself. Now, a beta particle is a fast-moving electron, and it is just an electron. So the way we showed that electron is we write a -1 for the atomic number, and then we write an E. And then the mass number is still 0 because the mass of an electron is 0. So the charge is -1, and what is actually happening is a neutron is spontaneously turning into a proton. To balance out that charge, it creates a beta particle. So kind of a crazy little balancing act the universe does there. The beta particle will go through a little bit more. It could go through, it doesn't really go through your skin, or it doesn't really go through your bones, but it can go through more than an alpha ray or alpha particle. Now, gamma ray is simply high energy electromagnetic waves. They have no mass and no charge. They are just energy that's emanating out. So they have the symbol of gamma right here with no mass and no charge, and it has a charge of 0. So it is only stopped by extremely thick lead, as you will see in your demonstration. Just to review, alpha particles have a helium nucleus. They have these symbols. Remember the helium symbol. The charge is a positive 2, and it's stopped by, has the least penetrating power. Beta particles are fast-moving electrons, have those symbols, and have a charge of -1. Gamma particles have high energy electromagnetic waves. They have this symbol. They have a charge of 0, and they're only stopped by very thick lead or concrete.